Over 50% of parents struggle to find unique birthday party ideas that truly engage every child. What if you could transform your home into an immersive adventure that's not only memorable, but completely DIY? Escape rock. Welcome, adventurers, to the ultimate guide for transforming your home into an unforgettable escape room birthday party. Forget the usual cake and presents. Imagine the thrill of cryptic clues, secret compartments, and teamwork as your guests race against the clock. It's an experience that promises laughter, challenge, and memories that will last long after the final puzzle is solved. Ready to unlock the secrets to an epic celebration? Let's dive in. Why opt for an escape room? It's more than just a game. It's an immersive experience that encourages collaboration, problem-solving, and creative thinking. Unlike passive entertainment, an escape room actively engages everyone, making them the stars of their own adventure. It's a fantastic way to bond, create shared excitement, and deliver a truly unique birthday celebration that stands out from the crowd. First things first, pick your theme. This sets the entire mood and narrative for your escape room. Think about the birthday person's favorite movies, books, or hobbies. Popular ideas include a detective mystery, a magical quest, a space mission, a pirate treasure hunt, or even surviving a zombie apocalypse. A strong theme makes every puzzle and prop more cohesive and exciting.
Tailoring the difficulty is crucial. For younger children, keep puzzles simple, visual, and involve more physical discovery. For teens and adults, you can ramp up the complexity with multi-step logic and abstract thinking. The goal is challenge, not frustration. An escape room that's too hard or too easy can quickly lose its appeal, so know your players' experience levels.
Every great escape room has a compelling story. It's the why behind the puzzles. Are they trying to escape a locked room before a monster arrives, find a hidden artifact, or disarm a ticking bomb? Even a simple narrative provides context and motivation, transforming a series of puzzles into an epic adventure. Start with a clear objective and a compelling hook. When designing puzzles, remember these principles. They should be solvable, logical, varied, and progressive. Avoid red herrings for younger players, and ensure each puzzle clearly leads to the next step or a new discovery. The aha moment is key. Players should feel clever, not confused. Mix up puzzle types to keep things fresh and engaging for everyone. Riddles and wordplay are fantastic starting points. A classic riddle can reveal a hiding spot or a critical word. Think about anagrams, word searches that highlight a code, or even simple cryptograms where letters are substituted. These types of puzzles engage verbal skills and can be easily adjusted for complexity, making them versatile for any age group. For older kids and adults, logic puzzles add a layer of intellectual challenge. This could be a sequence puzzle, where a series of colors or symbols needs to be arranged correctly, or a simple logic grid, where clues eliminate possibilities. These puzzles require deductive reasoning and methodical thinking, providing a satisfying mental workout for your players. Incorporate physical puzzles to get players moving and interacting with their environment. This could be a jigsaw puzzle that reveals a clue, stacking objects in a specific order, or even a simple maze to navigate a small object. Tangible interactions add a dynamic element that appeals to different learning styles and keeps energy levels high. The classic hidden object puzzle is always a hit. Conceal keys, notes, or puzzle pieces within your themed environment. Make it challenging but fair, perhaps a key tucked inside a book, or a piece of parchment rolled up in a decorative vase. This encourages players to thoroughly search and observe their surroundings, making discovery feel truly rewarding. Locks are the heart of many escape rooms. Invest in a few inexpensive combination locks, number locks, letter locks, or even directional padlocks. The solution to one puzzle should ideally provide the combination for a lock. leading players to the next clue or a coveted prize. This creates a satisfying progression as players unlock their way through the game. Now for the fun part, gathering props. Raid your home for anything that fits your theme: old boxes, scarves, toys, maps, flashlights, or even old clothes. Thrift stores are gold mines for unique, affordable items. Don't be afraid to repurpose and get creative. A cardboard box can become a treasure chest, and old sheets can transform a room. Choose a room that can be easily transformed and contained. Your living room, a basement, or even a large bedroom can work perfectly. Clear out any personal clutter and furniture that isn't part of the game. Think about player movement. Ensure there's enough space for them to explore and collaborate without feeling cramped or knocking things over. This is where the magic happens. Map out a clear, logical flow for your clues. Each solved puzzle should naturally lead to the next, like a breadcrumb trail. Avoid dead ends or leaps of logic. Ensure that the solution to a puzzle directly indicates where to find the next clue or which lock it opens. Clarity and progression are key to preventing frustration. For older players, consider incorporating a few red herrings, objects or clues that seem important but are actually irrelevant. These add a layer of challenge and encourage critical thinking, forcing players to truly discern what's important. Use them sparingly, though, as too many can lead to frustration rather than fun. Immerse your players in the story. Decorations, lighting, and sound effects can dramatically enhance the experience. Dim the lights, play thematic background music or soundscapes, like jungle sounds or spooky organ music, and use props to transform the room. Simple touches can transport your guests to another world and elevate the entire adventure. You're not just the creator, you're the game master. Your role is crucial. Monitor progress, provide hints when players get stuck, and ensure everyone is having a blast. Be a guide, not a solution giver. Your enthusiasm and subtle nudges can make all the difference between a group giving up and triumphantly solving the final puzzle. Safety is paramount, especially in a home environment. Ensure there are no trip hazards, sharp objects, or anything fragile that could break. Keep emergency exits clear and easily accessible. If children are playing, consider informing their parents about the setup and emphasizing supervision to ensure a safe and fun experience for everyone involved. Never skip the test run. Have friends or family members who haven't seen the setup play through the escape room. Time them and observe where they get stuck, what clues are unclear, or if anything is too easy or too hard. This feedback is invaluable for fine-tuning your puzzles and ensuring a smooth, enjoyable experience for the birthday party. Strategically integrate the escape room into your party schedule. Is it the main event or one of several activities? Allow ample time for play, typically 45 to 60 minutes for a home escape room. Also, factor in time for pre-game briefing and post-game celebration. A well-placed escape room can elevate the entire party flow. Your invitations are the first step in building excitement. Hint at the escape room's theme without revealing too much. You can include a small riddle or a cryptic message. Briefly explain what guests can expect, like prepare for an adventure or teamwork required. This sets the tone and gets everyone buzzing with anticipation even before they arrive. When it's game time, gather your players for a grand introduction. Clearly explain the story's objective, the time limit, and how the hint system works. Get them excited and fully immersed in the narrative. A dramatic voice and an engaging backstory can instantly transport your guests into the heart of the adventure. A well-designed hint system is vital. Decide on a limit, like 3 hints per team, or time-based hints if they're really stuck. Hints should guide, not solve. Instead of giving the answer, prompt them with questions like, "Have you checked under the?" or "What does that symbol remind you of?" The goal is to nudge, not to give away the solution. As Game Master, keep a keen eye on your players' progress. Are they flowing through puzzles, or have they hit a wall? Observing their struggles and breakthroughs helps you know exactly when to offer a hint without spoiling the fun. You can discreetly watch from a distance or use a timer to track their overall pace. Whether they escape or not, celebrate their efforts. Announce their time, take a celebratory photo, and perhaps offer small themed prizes like master detective certificates or fun trinkets. The experience of working together and the memories created are more important than just winning. Make sure everyone feels like a champion. After the celebration, a quick debrief can be a fun way to wind down. Ask players what their favorite puzzles were, what was challenging, and if they have any funny stories from the game. This not only allows them to relive the adventure, but also gives you valuable feedback for any future escape room creations you might plan. Creating an escape room doesn't have to break the bank. Utilize household items, printables for puzzles, and thrift store finds for props. Focus on creativity over expensive purchases. Many effective puzzles can be crafted from simple materials like cardboard, string, and paper. Your ingenuity is your greatest asset here.
Remember, the goal is fun and creating lasting memories. Start simple, test thoroughly, and embrace the unexpected. Your homemade escape room will be a truly unique and cherished birthday experience. Now go forth and create. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more party ideas, and share your own escape room stories in the comments below.